We haven't yet won because we can't get his money back, but we are the happiest people, I think, if I speak for everybody in this country.
I'm telling you, he's no more our president. We have chased him out. So we have won this battle without any weapon, without any bad thing happening to our children. We have won this battle, and we are very happy that he has to step down. He will and he must step down, and we will be very happy.